Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a set of different items that I received from LBeads. Now, this is an unusual order. Normally they have so many like gorgeous charms and beads, but this time I thought what I would do is I would buy different types of packaging, because that was another thing. They had some gorgeous packaging, and so I'll just show you like sort of the idea. If I wanted to send someone some happy mail, I thought it would be great to have these fun little packets. And I've just got these beads here that I'm just going to tuck in. And so you've got this gorgeous little way to package. You can create a little bag topper for that. You can punch a hole in it, and then you can put it on a tag flip or something. But I thought it's such a perfect way to be able to send some charms or beads. So there's another example. Like you could just fit some cute little gifts inside there. So that was my idea behind these guys. I think there was 100 of these. I'll leave links down below, and it will say how many were in each. That's what I was thinking with that. These are for packaging fun little happy mail items as well. And I will create some stuff. Actually, I've got something right here. I wonder if this will fit. This is a super cute little album that one of my friends gave me. I just wonder if this will fit in here. Just, let's see. I have actually wanted to make one of these, which is why it's sitting on my desk. And even if it doesn't fit, because it's handmade, you could easily adjust the size to fit. This is like a 3x4 kind of packaging. It's just, I could probably, I don't know, it's just barely not going to fit maybe. Yeah, it's wrecking the bag there. Oh. Am I ripping the bag? It's there. It actually fits perfectly. So, if you wanted to package up something, anyway, I wanted to make something like this. Now, look at how gorgeous that is, all packaged up. Just, that's perfect. I just really love that little book, and I've always kept it on my desk. Like she said this to Jana, said this to me a couple of years ago, and the reason why I've kept it on my desk is because I really need to make one of those. It's such a good idea. Anyways, just look at that fun way of packaging that up there. Then we have some of these little envelopes. Look at these. I love vellum. I love glassine bags, and this is kind of like that. So if I was going to package up like a cute set of charms, I'll just grab some things from my bag here. So let's say I was gonna give some flair to a friend. I've got this really cute, gorgeous packaging. Okay, last but not least, I'm so excited about these. I have been looking for these for such a long time. I can never find them here. Look at how well packaged these things come. The thing that's really amazing about these storage containers in particular is that there's lids on all of the containers. So when you take out each container, you can really make sequin shakers very easily with these, because you can keep all different colors organized. If you drop this, if you put it in a bag and it dumps over, you don't have to worry about it spilling. And I just thought this was amazing. I had one sent to me as an embellishment box from a pen pal, and it was so fantastic. I was blown away. I didn't even know these existed. When I saw they had them at LBeads, I had to get one. And in fact, I got two to help sort of try to organize some of my sequins. So I'm excited to get that together. So I have some really fun ideas. I'm going to put together a Happy Mail package with these items that I am going to be gifting to some pen pals for Valentine's Day. So make sure that you're subscribed if you want to see more videos. I'm also going to show you how I use those containers to organize all my sequins and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. I'll leave links down below to everything from LBeads that I received here. It's always nice to be able to see the things in person so you can really, or even like on video, so you can really get an idea for what kind of size they are, because how many times have we ordered things, it's like, well, that's bigger than I thought, or that's smaller than I thought. So anyways, you get a really good idea about the different products that they have available. And like I said, if you're like me and you've been trying to find those, these were such a good price. And yeah, I was really happy with everything that they sent me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.